Good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to my 2573rd edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Traders, good evening, my OMNIAC community. My apologies, I've been working on Wednesday's webinar. It's about 4:30 in the morning, and I just realized I have not addressed my OMNIAC community for tomorrow's trading. My bad, kids, so I figured I'd do a video now. This video coming at you on a very, very, very late Monday night for Trading Tuesday. That's May 9th, 2023. Remember that this is a very risky endeavor, trading futures, options, ETFs, crypto, you name it. Very, very risky endeavor. Never trade without stops. Put your protective stops in first before you begin to trade. All right, so what are we looking at? Well, the E-mini S&P, what I wanted to tell you about, the indices themselves are so mixed in their signals that we have a neutral. So we have no signal from Omni. Don't buy, don't sell. But what it is doing is the Omni is waving us off. So no matter what the signal is, the Omni is waving us off from further buying. So we will take that omen. The Omni says stay away. We will do that. And we will do nothing, at least for the first few hours, in the E-mini S&P. Maybe it's testing the resistance up here again. We've got the question mark on what's going to happen. Last time it failed, the time before it failed, the time before that it failed, and way before that it failed. But look at the distance between failures. A long time ago, it's so long ago you can't see it on the chart. Failed again here when it finally got back up to it. But then it gets speedier. Fail, fail, test one more time. Right? So you had these two failures. Now we're having a test. And it held down here at the 50 bar moving average very smartly, as it always does. And when it drops under, it gets ugly. So good time for Omni, if you ask me, to go into a neutral stance. Let's see what's going to happen. That's your E-mini S&P. And then we've been trading gold lately. So let me just show you what's going on with that. On the gold chart, well, let's make that a little bit smaller so we can see what's going on here. All right, so on the gold chart, from what I'm seeing, the Omni has turned neutral and told me to just stop. We were selling today. We made money selling gold today on the short side, and the Omni said stop, basically like it did in the indices. So I'm going to heed that warning as well. There are other markets we can look at, but as far as gold, neutral Omni. And as far as the indices, it's such a mixed bag of signals that I'm calling it a neutral. Traders, don't forget, on Wednesday, you are invited to a free live webinar. Metastock is hosting it. It's already started, but my presentation, my portion of it, starts tomorrow, Wednesday. Today's Tuesday. Starts on Wednesday at 5 p.m. Eastern, and there's a typo in that word there, isn't there? Here we go. 5 p.m. Eastern tomorrow. So the link is below. It's absolutely free. No credit cards, no anything. And let's just take a look at what we have here. So I see a couple of typos now that I'm looking at it. And we do these videos live, so not much I can do but fix it on the fly, which I will do for you now, if I can get to it. All right, so where are we? We are presentation. I'll fix that for you in just a moment if I can find the word in here. T-I-O-N. Sorry about that. It's still not correct. We won't waste too much more time on this. I'm sorry, kids. But it's so late at night. I kind of rushed to get this done for you. A-T-I-O-N. Thank you very much. Presentation. Sorry about that. Anyway, it'll be a lot less sloppy, I promise. If you join my presentation on Wednesday at 5, the link is below. Follow these arrows and join me there. I've got a lot of great charts to show you, and let's share them together. That's Wednesday at 5. Don't forget, and remember, kids, stops are in. E emotions are out. Now don't forget, click the link, join my presentation, my community. I can use your help, and make sure that you like and subscribe to these videos. I will see you at the presentation if you are not in my live trading room on Wednesday.